This is a piano tutorial on the Elvis song Blue Christmas. I'll show it to you here first as a soloist, so I'll go through the fingering with you in the right hand. This is a pretty simple song. Key at F, only one black key, B flat, to watch out for in your melody. Start on a C note with your thumb. So your first finger there, fifth finger on A. You through that phrase, and stretch your fingers out a little bit here. C is 1, 2, 3. That gets your fourth finger up on B flat there. Keep your third finger on A. Watch out for that B flat. And then third finger there on that A. I suggest you put your fourth finger on that A if you want to improvise a little bit. And you stretch your fingers out. 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat. And your second finger here. Kind of took a little bit of liberty with the melody there. If you listen to this at all, you know what I was doing. That's okay, by the way. The chords, you start out with an F chord. So it's F, A, C like that. And that's a C7 chord on Without You. C, E, G, B flat. A C minor chord, E flat, G, and C. Decorations. That's a D7 on decorations. D, F sharp, A, C. C minor again, back to D7 again. G minor, D. Do it like this, D, G, B flat. And that's a G7 there, D, F, G, B. C7 again, C, E, G, B flat. C7 again. C minor, D7, C minor, D7, G minor. That's an F diminished seventh chord. So F, A flat. B, D on the top. C7, C, E, G, B flat. And now back to the F chord. So pretty simple. Always work on it hands alone. And when you're ready, put it together. And this is what it sounds like.